Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my special series triple drone F sharp tuned to 440 hertz. I will be producing these. Can't even talk. I will be producing these in 528 hertz, 440 hertz, and also 432 hertz. This one here has been produced from purple heart wood. And I don't know how my videos are doing. I can't seem to get it do right. I don't know if you can see it or not. But I can't seem to get my lighting right, so excuse me. But like I said, this one here is from purple heart wood. And first, let me tell you, I've messed with a lot of purple heart wood, a lot of hardwoods. But this one here, this piece here is by far the hardest I have ever worked with in my life. And it was like a rock. Seriously, sandpaper didn't hardly want to cut through it. I really had a time with it. With this particular flute here, as you can see, I have the mouthpiece really close together. That way, you know, you can get it in your mouth really easily. And if you can see, the middle one is up just a smidgen. That way you can find it really easily. On this one here, I have my deer antler fetishes right here. I will offer different fetishes or blocks for you. And the finger holes, as you can see, I have them really close together and they're small on this F sharp. And as you notice, my triple drone is different than anyone else's out there in the world. As you can see here, I don't use the buttons or the plugs because to me they're in the way. So I use leather. I designed this flute to where I can use leather. That way you can hold your hand flat. And it's very comfortable, folks. Extremely comfortable. And if you bear with me, I'll show you how to remove this leather. I don't like to slide my leather up and down because it'll wear out your leather through time. So what you do is just up on the bottom of your leather, you'll see a knot where I tie it together, tight under the flute. You'll see a knot. Just grab that knot, pull straight down on it, and twist up on your leather, and you can just slide it off your finger holes. It's very simple. But if you bear with me, I'll show you what this baby sounds like. It has an extremely clear, crisp voice. It doesn't take much breath at all, no effort at all, no work at all. And it's just awesome, folks. But if you would like to have one, I can't remember if I told you, I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away. Triple drone, F sharp, 440 hertz. bottom finger hole, so I'll show you how to play that hole. So all these here is closed, just one open. So I'm just going to play the center, the middle, and the right side. Way more of that. I'm trying to, because of time. Now I'm going to show you how to play the two holes, the bottom holes open. Like I said, remove your leather. Don't slide your leather. Just grab your knot on the bottom of your flute here. There's a knot, if you can see it. See that knot? Just pull straight down on your knot and twist upward. Okay? Now I have this leather tight, so pull down on it. Get it in the camera. Pull down on it. And then just twist your leather off your finger hole. Just like so. See there how easy that was? Now I'm going to play the middle one again and the right side again. Messed up a lot there, didn't I? But you just have to figure it out. I messed up a lot. And so I'm going to try to remove the leather on the 3 holes. I'm going to try that one more time. Bit better. Okay, now I'm going to remove the leather on the top one. Just pull down on it and twist your leather like so. Okay, now you can play it like this here, like a regular American flute, or you can put your fingers right here and play it. Okay, the middle and the one on the right. You can also play it like this. Play it with all 3 together. play it right here also. You can play it many different ways. You just have to practice with it. But like I said, I'll give you many different options. I'll give you the different hertz. I'll give you the different fetishes, the blocks, the totems, whatever you want to call it. But I'm going to tell you, folks, this flute here is wonderful to play. It is so wonderful, and it's so relaxing. And like I said, now it's totally different than anyone else's out there in the world. And it takes a lot of time to make these flutes like this, to produce the sound, the voices that I'm producing. It takes a lot of time. And they have to be precise. You just cannot sit here and throw these flutes together and expect to get a good sound. You got to work at it. And I feel like God's gave me this knowledge, and I really appreciate His help to help me figure out how to get these flutes to sound as good as I do. You know, I won't be anywhere, folks, without Him. I thank God for everything. And folks, like I said, if you would like to have one, this one here is already gone. But I'll put the link below this video. I can make you one. It's no trouble at all. And I will have it on sale. Now, this wood, like I said, it's extremely hard. As you're going to notice, I can't really afford to make them too cheap. You know, because it's going to take a lot of time, and it takes a lot of effort. And like I said, everything has to be precise. But I will have it on sale for you. Thank you so much, folks. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.